Hi guys, this is my first YouTube video and this will be a study with me vlog. This was my to-do list which I wrote and now I'm gonna be studying immunology. First I believe that to remember we should just give an overview of the whole chapter and then the questions which are available. Then I'm seeing the bold letters or the important points which are in the chapter. Then I'll be giving a final proper reading so that I can remember what I have read and it sticks with me longer. I'm drinking green tea over here and just studying through and just remembered that I had to read something other things and make the to-do list. So I'm here reading the immunology, and this is my first immunology as I've been starting to read immunology which is in my next semester. And here I'm just reading the chapter thoroughly with full concentration. And yeah, I like to hear music while I am studying, which helps me to concentrate only in the study and not think about anything else. And sometimes I think that while studying it gets boring and monotonous, so I think that music also helps to keep you in track and help you concentrate better. Here I'm just reading the whole chapter thoroughly, and then I believe that after reading the chapter I should do some MCQs which will help to reinforce what I studied. And just getting distracted over here. I just brought in some snacks which I was getting hungry by that time, and I'm just eating those snacks and just doing studying. What better can we do while in lockdown? Nothing else to do, nowhere else to go. We are just stuck in our houses. I hope soon this lockdown gets over and we start living our normal lives again. Here I'm just browsing through some other music. I just really like the music which is uploaded by Janice Studies and her playlist. That's really cool. And here I've reached the almost the end of the chapter and just having a final look. I think that first giving review of the chapter, blatantly just seeing what is there throughout the chapter and just seeing the important notes and headings and boxes and important points, and then seeing the questions of the chapter and then going through the text of the chapter. I think that's better for us to remember, because by the time we have already read it thrice. Here I am studying anatomy and I am just giving a revision from a review book which is helping me to revise all that which I have learned in first year. This is also I am reading in the same way. I am reading the chapter overview and then just reading the questions which are there, and then I am reading the chapter thoroughly and in depth. Here I am reading all the lines and details and just highlighting the things again and again. I just really like to highlight my work because it helps me to keep my eyes focused in the line which I'm studying, and while I go and revise it for the second time or the third time, then I know which lines are more important and they stick out from the page. I highlight using 2 or 3 colors. Pink is a color which I highlight the normal things which are not very important, and I highlight the headings with orange, and the very important thing which I need to revise over and over again, them with fluorescent green color. And I really like to make my books dirty a bit, because otherwise I'll think that I've not studied at all, because I just hate clean books. I just have to make them dirty with my handwriting, with my underlining. Here I'm just browsing some internet because I was very much tired by that time. so I needed a break. So I was just browsing internet, and then I got back to study again. This part I'm just reading about joints and reading about parts of the bone, epiphysis, diaphysis, metaphysis, what is epiphyseal plate, all these things. And I'm also reading about how bones ossify, long bones ossify, and then I'll be starting to do MCQs on the same thing. I'm just doing MCQs right now. MCQs which are in the book which I'm studying. You can see that it's written in gray. I'm doing MCQs with the same topic that I read that time, because it helps to reinforce what I studied just now, and it makes the whole process a lot more memorable and interesting, and make long study sessions more interesting. Otherwise I would have fallen bored or very bored. Yeah, so here I'm drinking some lychee drink. Now again I'm underlining some, and then again reading. Again I'll do MCQs, because MCQs or multiple choice questions really help you to remember. And while you grow and give big exams in your life, every exam will have MCQs and only MCQs, because they are the universal questions which every country has. MCQs are like short questions, and you'll have to read line by line. Here I'm reading each and every line and each and every info that is written over here. Here I went for a break, and then again I'm studying. Here I'm reading about the various types of joints which are in the human body. Now browsing phone again. Again reading. I'm reading again, and then I thought that it was really helpful for me to do MCQs in the middle, because after all I would have to do MCQs for my exams, and doing it now is really helpful. Doing MCQs again. I think that writing down the answers which I did wrong also helps me. Here I'm doing that, exactly that. I'm just finding out the correct answers from the things which I did wrong. I just find out the answers to them, and then just write down the things I didn't knew and I had problem with. I just write them down, and this really helps me because it's reinforcing my knowledge what I learned and helps me to remember better. Here I am reading Oxford Handbook of Clinical Medicine, which I have just started, and it teaches me it teaches any doctor, how to react with patients. The portion I am reading is teaching doctors how to react with patients, what bedside manners, table manners, how to comfort a patient if they are expecting some difficult medical procedure. And that's it. That's about it. Do like and subscribe my channel. Give a comment, give the notification bell a ring. Thank you.